Hi, Gene. Now I've got my hands on your site here. There's some things here, and if I recall, were there any changes made to the mobile when you first got the template? Because there's a couple modifications here that I don't recognize. One is this one here, the Meta Viewport. This is the Meta Viewport for mobile devices. This overrides this. Okay, so when you say content width 1170, now that's the default standard page width for any Bootstrap template. Right? So to me, it looks like this was added to overcome so you'd have a full site. And why I asked that is because now I have a copy of the site here. This is what it actually looks like when I do the mobile testing with, well, at least with Chrome. Okay, so that's showing up fine and dandy, but it's not responsive. And the reason it's not responsive, at least the index page here that I'm just testing, is because this viewport has been added, which overwrites this one here. Okay. Also, you're missing the Bootstrap responsive style sheet. In your site styles Twitter Bootstrap folder, okay, there should be a Bootstrap responsive.css right here. This would also need to be linked in right under bootstrap.css. Okay, those two go together for this particular template because that's the version of Bootstrap we're using. So that being said, I'm not sure what modifications were made here, but this here is going to be a problem. I'm not going to mess with your site right now because this is actually something that's not, I'm not really familiar with what you were wanting, but when I first looked at it, I thought it was when I just resized it in the browser and whatnot, it looks to me like the site was modified so that it would display as a full site, like so, on a mobile device, but now for some reason it's not. So let me just pull up the link here on my phone. Okay, this is why I messed up here, because this is Drac.net and this is different than the version that I'm looking at right now because it has the viewport right here. There is no viewport 1170, and you do have the Bootstrap responsive right here. Okay, so figure out why that is. Why I have looking at two different things here. I guess the question is, are you using the index.php for this one? That's what I assumed you were. Is there another page in here? Do we have a default? That's the one there. I made a copy of it, renamed it HTML so I could test it locally. Alright, and I just took one of your existing pages and applied the index.dwt PHP to it, and okay, so I can test with this. Okay, so you got some, this is back to where the problem was right here. This information up here, excuse me, was either set for desktop or not, but we'll have to do some media queries here. Okay, I've gone in and tweaked the style sheet, and I'm not sure if they were removed or not, but everything should be lining up sort of center like this on a mobile device. It was just all set to the default, so I don't know. Like I said, it's been a while since I've looked at this, so I can't recall if we did any modifications or whatnot for you. But anyways, that's the header right there. I'm going to send you the styles.css. You just drag and drop that and pop it into your site, and that should take care of business for you.